The next award is Pharmaleaders Indian of the Year Orthopedics.
Pharmaleaders Indian of the Year Orthopedics, and the nominees are Padma Shri Dr. Mahil Vahanan Natarajan, Consultant Orthopedic Surgeon, Apollo Specialty Hospital, Chennai; Padma Shri Dr. Shyama Prasad Mandal, Co-Chairperson, Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, New Delhi; Padma Shri Professor Dr. PVA Mohandas, Founder and Mentor, MIOT International Hospitals; Padma Vibhushan Dr. Kantilal Hastimal Sancheti, Founder, Sancheti Institute of Orthopedics and Rehabilitation; Padma Shri Dr. Yash Gulati, Senior Consultant Orthopedic Surgeon, Indraprastha Apollo Hospitals; Padma Shri Dr. Rabindra Narayan Singh, Founder Chairman, Anup Institute of Orthopedics and Rehabilitation.
And the award goes to Padma Shri Dr. Mahil Vahanan Natarajan. The next award is Pharmaleaders Indian of the Year Oncology.
Pharmaleaders Indian of the Year Oncology, and the nominees are Padma Bhushan Dr. Suresh H. Advani, Director, Medical Oncology, Jaslok Hospital and Research Center; Padma Shri Dr. Rajendra Achyut Bhadwe, Surgical Oncologist, Director, Tata Memorial Hospital; Padma Shri Dr. Jitendra Kumar Singh, President, Cancer Care India; Padma Shri Dr. Pramod Kumar Julka, Senior Director, Oncology Daycare Center, Max Super Speciality Hospital; Padma Shri Dr. Ramakant Krishnaji Deshpande, Chief of Thoracic Surgical Oncology, Asian Institute of Oncology; Padma Shri Dr. Kodaganur S. Gopinath, Surgical Oncologist in the field of head and neck cancer, HCG.
The award goes to, is on the top of the list, Padma Bhushan Dr. Suresh Advani.
Dr. Advani, please, for his remarkable contribution to oncology actually. This is in fact a rare moment in Pharmaleaders actually.
The next award is Pharmaleaders Indian of the Year Obstetrics and Gynecology.
Pharmaleaders Indian of the Year, Obstetrics and Gynecology. And the nominees are Padma Shri Dr. Alka Kripalni, Professor and Head,
Department of Obstetrics, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi; Padma Shri Dr. Kamini A. Rao, Medical Director, Milan and Consultant Obstetrician and Gynecologist, Malya Hospital, Bangalore; Dr. C. Geeta Haripriya, Chairperson, Prashant Multi-Speciality Hospital and Medical Director, Prashant Fertility Research Center; Dr. Firuza Parekh, Director, Fertile Tree Jaslok Fertility Center; Dr. Rishma Pai, Honorary Consultant Obstetrician and Gynecologist, Leelavati Hospital, Jaslok Hospital and Research Center, Mumbai; Dr. Sushila Shetty, Consultant Obstetrician and Gynecologist, Malya Hospital, Nova Medical Center, Motherhood Hospital, Manipal Hospital and Sri Satya Sai General Hospital.
And the winner is Dr. Rishma Dillon Pai. The next award is Pharmaleaders Most Promising and Innovative Hospital 2018.
Pharmaleaders Most Promising and Innovative Hospital 2018, and the nominees are Medway Hospitals, Icon Krishi Super Speciality Hospital, New Era Hospital and Research Institute, KG Hospital, Mercy Hospital, Niramaya Hospital.
And the award goes to Niramaya Hospital. Moving on, the next award is the Pharmaleaders Most Valuable and Patient-Driven Diagnostic and Pathology Center 2018.
Pharmaleaders Most Valuable and Patient-Driven Diagnostic and Pathology Center, Bengaluru 2018. And the nominees are Anand Diagnostic Laboratory, Lotus Diagnostics, Nisarga Diagnostics and Research Center, Rashid Diagnostic Center, Prima Diagnostics, Trident Diagnostics.
Winner is the one at the last, Trident Diagnostics. Moving on, the next award is the Pharmaleaders Most Promising and Dynamic Company of the Year 2018.
Most Promising and Dynamic Company of the Year 2018, and the nominees are Freedom Pharmaceuticals Limited, Bio4 India Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, Mepro Pharmaceuticals Private Limited, Celogen Pharma Private Limited, Killets Drugs India Limited, Agio Pharmaceuticals Limited.
And the award goes to Freedom Pharmaceuticals Limited. The next award is the Pharmaleaders Most Promising and Innovative Nutrition Company 2018.
Pharmaleaders Most Promising and Innovative Nutrition Company 2018, and the nominees are Bionova Life Sciences, Anutrika Group, MSR Biotech and Nutrition Limited, Lactonova Nutrifarm Private Limited, Hexagon Nutrition Private Limited, Novel Nutrients Private Limited.
And the winner is Hexagon Nutrition Private Limited. Moving on, the next award is Pharmaleaders Dynamic Entrepreneur of the Year 2018.
Pharmaleaders Dynamic Entrepreneur of the Year 2018, and the nominees are Mr. Venkataramana Gaddam, Managing Director, Vineet Laboratories Limited; Dr. Sridhar Ganeshan, Managing Director, Kaplan Point Laboratories Limited; Mr. Samir Hiremath, Joint Managing Director and President, Hikal Limited; Mr. Krishna Dhatla, Managing Director, DIL Limited; Mr. Chetan Doshi, Chairman, Coral Laboratories Limited; Mr. Nimish Thakkar, CMD, Zuvius Life Sciences Private Limited.
The award goes to Mr. Nimish Thakkar, CMD, Zuvius Life Sciences Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the close of the award ceremony, I have the honors for the last award to be announced, that is Pharmaleaders Most Valuable and Admired Multinational Company of the Year 2018.
Pharmaleaders Most Valuable and Admired MNC Company of the Year 2018. And the nominees are AstraZeneca Pharma India Limited, Cerdia Pharmaceuticals India Private Limited, Nestle Skin Health India Private Limited, Astellas Pharma India Private Limited, Mylan Laboratories Limited, Baxter India Private Limited.
The award goes to Nestle Skin Health India Private Limited. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the Pharmaleaders Business Leadership Awards 2018 for this evening. And before we move ahead, we would have a memento presentation. And the first memento, I would like to invite Creative Awards to come to the stage to receive a memento as a token of appreciation. Creative Awards. Can we have the memento, please? Can we have a round of applause, please, for Creative Awards? I would now like to invite Care World TV to come to the stage to receive a memento as our token of appreciation. Care World TV. Next, I'd like to invite Print and Pack to come to the stage, please. Print and Pack. And next, I'd like to invite Stagecraft to come to the stage. Stagecraft. Stagecraft. Ladies and gentlemen, that completes the Pharmaleaders Business Leadership Awards 2018 for the evening. Before we move ahead, can we have a big round of applause? I now call upon our chief guest, Padma Shri Dr. Mukesh Batra, to please share his thoughts.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, and I'm glad it's still evening. First of all, I'd like to congratulate Satya Bharma for his wonderful initiative. Awards are a recognition for people who work hard and an inspiration for them to do better. I also congratulate all the winners for their exceptional contribution to the field of medicine and healthcare and for the positive impact they've made in the lives of millions of people. As a practitioner of medicine for the last 40 years, I've been keenly observing trends in the Indian healthcare industry. The first major shift that has happened in the last few years is that the burden has shifted from acute and infectious diseases to non-communicable diseases. According to World Health Organization, NCDs cause 61% of all deaths in India. Of these, cardiovascular diseases contribute 45%. India today is the diabetes capital of the world, with around 73 million people living with it, and around 80 million diagnosed as pre-diabetic. India stands to lose $4.5 trillion before 2030 due to NCDs and mental health conditions. Most NCDs are lifestyle related and can easily be prevented by education. Spending on health education and hygiene, clean air, water, and toilets, more than expensive treatments, should be the way forward. Unfortunately, it's easier and cheaper for a child to purchase a packet of chips than to buy fruits and vegetables. The second shift is that India will soon move into an aging population. The elderly population in India is expected to cross 340 million by 2050. The cost of elderly care is skyrocketing, due to which around 62% of the elderly in India do not get long-term palliative care. The silver population has given rise to an emerging home care industry. The home healthcare sector is expected to be $6 billion by 2020. It has also opened the doors for new products like adult diapers, and increased sales of wheelchairs and walking sticks. Finally, technology is both a disruptor and an enabler. While on the one hand, technology has been a disruptor for healthcare, on the other hand, it has empowered patients. Whether they are researching doctors online or contacting doctors via videos or Practo, patients now use technology to take control of their own health. They are much more informed than ever before. Doctors, hospitals, and healthcare companies that evolve and adapt technological advancements will be catalysts for growth. Those who don't will be left behind. I once again congratulate all the winners today. You're all role models and an inspiration for others around you. I wish you all the best today, tomorrow, and in the times ahead. I wish the healthcare industry in India grows in leaps and bounds, and that we have not a Congress Mukt, not a BJP Mukt, but a Bimari Mukt Bharat. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. I now request our second chief guest, Dr. Sudhakar Shinde, to please share his thoughts.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm thankful to the organizers to invite me and give me an opportunity to explain government's point of view regarding Ayushman Bharat. I think Satya should start another category of awards to the persons who actually hand over the awards. Me and Dr. Batra really deserve one. So congratulations to all the winners and to the participants. We as a healthcare industry, this is a gathering where all the stakeholders are there. So awards is definitely should be there, and we should always try to get awards, and our achievements should be recognized. But the biggest award for healthcare industry is smile on the patient who gets treated by the industry. So together as a team, we all as a team, we should strive to work to make industry which is really an affordable, which is really an accessible, and which provides universal care to all the patients who are there in our country. Our country is a third world country, and a teamwork by various stakeholders of this industry will definitely take this dream of Honorable Prime Minister of Ayushman Bharat to its logical conclusion. I again thank you very much to listen to our panel discussion and various functions organized by the organizers. I again request you all to take away the message of Ayushman Bharat to the last beneficiary and try to make this program, ambitious program of Government of India as one of the most successful program. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shinde.
Professor Sunil, Dr. Sunil Deshpande has been very fantastic since this afternoon, and he has moderated really well with an analytical friend of mine. He has explained the minute details of what each speaker spoke about, or the various aspects of the industry on different verticals. And we must give a huge round of applause to Professor Dr. Sunil Deshpande.
Thank you.
We have a moment to please.
Thank you.
Please come here.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the close of the 11th Annual Pharmaceutical Leadership Summit and Pharmaleaders Business Leadership Awards 2018, I would now request Mr. Satya to please propose a vote of thanks.
Oh, before I propose the vote of thanks, I had two of the tallest leaders in their own field. One is into bureaucracy and one is into homeopathy. In many of the programs, you've got ministers and you've got those leaders who come and give away the awards. But if you come to know the next day that he's involved in some scandals and some other activities, you will regret actually. And this is the real fact. That is the reason why we have chosen two of the top inspiring leaders of the country to be here, who are not only honest and very candid in their confessions. And I'm thankful for both of you to be here. May I request a small memento for Dr. Mukesh Batra, please. Small. I'll speak again.
Can we have a round of applause, please?
Ladies and gentlemen, we had a wonderful evening. In fact, it has been a very tiring experience for all of us at the Network 7 Media Group, who has been working relentlessly for the last 4 to 5 months. In fact, the journey started in the month of January, as you would have seen in the profile that we displayed it to you. Many congratulations to all the award winners for the remarkable achievements. Each nominee and each award winner has been personally interviewed, either by me or by someone from the jury members. And this recognition reflects your remarkable accomplishment as a leader of substance and someone who has made a difference. And we have taken every minute details before screening out in the nomination process. We don't compromise on our principles. We don't compromise on our values. And I can promise you one thing, next year in 2019, we'll come out with one more edition, that will be our 12th edition of Pharmaleaders Awards. And that would also create a new theme, a new beginning, a new history, and a new phase of life that will change the course of health care in India. Thank you very much for all of us, and many congratulations to all of you. Thank you.
Can we have a round of applause for Mr. Satya and Pharmaleaders team, please?
With this, I invite all of you to join us for cocktail and dinner actually.